Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am MasterTatiana, and this is a total random dialogue with me. And say hello to Dream back there. Right, for those that are just coming in tune to my channel, I am intuitive numerologist Tatiana here. Hello. So I just wanted to come here and just do like a random chat with you guys, see how everyone is doing. But what just fell into my heart's mind was intuition and numbers, and what came to me was to talk about yes and no answers to our journey, right? Many times we want yes or no answers just to get things moving in our life. Like, should I do it? Should I not do it? Should I do it? Should I not do it? Right? But one of the things that we don't realize is the level of stubbornness that we all carry, guys. We are so stubborn. And I'm trying to get the right lighting here. But yeah, guys, we are just so stubborn. So it's kind of hard for us. It's so hard for us to get the yes or no answers anyway. And anyway, in life, right? Remember, the life path vibration corresponds to our lessons and challenges and things we're going to have to come in a crossroads, right? Where we're going to have to kind of choose either this way or that way, this way or that way, right? And the beauty of the life path vibration is that the life path vibration gives us a lot of hints before the situation happens. It gives us a ton of hints, and it usually gives us the hint from the gut. It gives us the hint from the gut, and then from the gut we can feel the truth of what's happening to us. And then from there we can choose that even though we carry fear, even though we carry uncertainty, that we can still go on in the journey, right? And sometimes you get to this point where you're just like fed up. And I'm working on my herbs and things like that. I do herbal medicine for my family, close friends. So if you guys see me writing and chatting, that's what I'm doing. So when it comes to like the life path vibration and intuitively, right, we need to trust the intuition. This is why we were giving a life path, you know, and we were given a number to navigate that life path, right? Like, for example, I carry the life path vibrational 5, and this is the vibration of expansion, of evolution. This is the vibration of heart. Honestly, it's really about cultivating and transforming ugly to beauty, right? And also transforming yourself into your greatest version of self, and seeing the beauty in everyone, and enjoying the journey as we grow, right? So many times, even the people that carry the life path 5, they may feel a lot of resistance, or most importantly, feel misunderstood. But most of us feel misunderstood, right? Most of us feel misunderstood. And the reason why we feel misunderstood is because there's an illusion of separation. Okay, there is an illusion that we are not the same, that we are from different places. In all actuality, energetically, we are literally one, right? So that's why we always feel misunderstood. And usually I tell my people, well, guess what? I want you to know that the truth is that you're not alone. Right? You're not alone. And so when it comes to intuition and numbers, you know, intuition Intuition is in the feeling, right? In the feeling. The numbers are like the map spots, okay? They just, this right here, it's gonna be this type of experience, or right here, there may be this type of experience that may arise, this challenge. But if you keep trusting the feeling, trusting that you are feeling something, trusting that you are feeling something that makes you uncomfortable, trusting that you are feeling something that is causing you to alchemize yourself, to transform yourself, you know, is necessary. So necessary, guys, for your growth journey. We are not meant to be the same. And as I mentor so many on this journey, it's the opportunity for me to see myself in every single one of you, right? So I really want to encourage everyone to understand that the reason why I even go by intuitive numerologist is because first thing is first. I trust what I feel. I trust that it may feel yucky right now. I trust that the process is in motion, right? So I go first with the trusting of my body, of my senses first. And I'm talking beyond the five senses, okay? I'm talking beyond the five senses of hear, see, smell, taste, touch, okay? I dive into what's known as the sixth sense. The sixth sense. And as I dive into the sixth sense, I discover who I truly am, right? And I just utilize these numbers. That's all I do. I just utilize these numbers in the journey to respect the fact that I am in a journey of growth, and these challenges are meant for my growth journey. For my growth journey. And I use discernment of the feeling, right? I take action from allowing myself to process the feeling just by being present in the feeling, and then naturally allowing things to alchemize the way they need to, and telling myself, this too shall pass. This too shall pass. Whether it's beautiful, whether it's ugly, this too shall pass. When I find myself super excited, this too shall pass. When I find myself crying and weeping, this too shall pass. And I keep myself in a neutral space and very balanced. So yeah, I want all of us to start understanding that these vibrations are more than just of who you are. They're not even who you are, guys. If they were, we'd be very fixed and everything, right? But the fact that we know that they're not who we are, but what we're meant to use, we evolve, we grow. And this is why we all have different life path vibrations, because we all need to be challenged and allow ourselves to grow in that understanding, right? We want to reach within ourselves. We want to be the example of the change that we're seeking in others. And from there, we want to blossom to the mentors that we are meant to be, the role models, that when our time of completion comes and we can reach to a higher frequency, that we can finally say, yeah, that we can finally let go with ease and less regret, right? So waiting your heart should be light. Even as we reach completion, the completion is the journey that we are all truly yearning for. And sometimes we get fixated with, I want to be successful, I want to do this. But maybe your journey consists of you having to make amends in success. Maybe your journey does consist of you building wealth for you to make amends with that, right? Or maybe your journey of broken hearts is constant. Why? Because this is what you need to do in order for you to emerge and grow and blossom. So with that being said, I love you guys. I hope this random chat was beautiful. I hope that you all received it, and I hope that we all choose to, you know, connect. For like that we can realize, well, I need to be with more, you know, like-minded individuals that really don't see the separation, but see really how we are so much alike and then separate. So yeah, I think I ramble enough. I'm going to continue doing my herbal names and everything that I'm doing for a friend of mine. And yeah, until next time. Mwah.